Hello students. Today we are going to study Mathematics of Standard 10th, chapter number 4, Geometric Constructions. In this chapter we are going to construct similar triangles as well as construction of a tangent to a circle. Today first we will see construction of a similar triangles. As we know, the corresponding sides of similar triangles are in the same proportion and the corresponding angles of these triangles are equal. For that, we will move on to practice set 4.1. Question number 1. Triangle ABC similar to triangle LMN. In triangle ABC, AB equal to 5.5 cm, BC equal to 6 cm, CA equal to 4.5 cm. Construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN such that BC upon MN equal to 5 upon 4. Now, triangle ABC and triangle LMN are similar. Therefore, their corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, AB upon LM equal to BC upon MN equal to CA upon NL equal to 5 upon 4, which is given. After putting values we will get 5.5 upon LM equal to 6 upon MN equal to 4.5 upon NL equal to 5 upon 4. Now each ratio we will equate to 5 upon 4. First we will equate 5.5 upon LM equal to 5 upon 4. After doing cross multiplication we will get LM into 5 equal to 4 into 5.5. Now shift 5 towards the right hand side. We will get LM equal to 4 into 5.5 upon 5. After solving we will get LM equal to 4.4 cm. Now we will equate 6 upon MN equal to 5 upon 4. After doing cross multiplication and simplification, we will get Mn equal to 4 into 6 upon 5, which will be equal to 4.8 cm. Now we will equate 4.5 upon NL equal to 5 upon 4. So after simplification, we will get NL equal to 4 into 4.5 upon 5, which will be equal to 3.6 cm. Now we will construct triangle ABC and triangle LMN. First, we will draw BC 6 cm. Now in compass, take the measurement of 5.5 cm. Now keep one end of compass on point B and make the arc from point B. Now again in compass, take the measurement of 4.5 cm and keep one end of compass on point C and make the arc. Now join the intersection of the arc from point B and point C. Plot the point A. We will construct triangle LMN. First, draw MN equal to 4.8 cm. Now, with the help of the compass, make the arc from point M at 4.4 cm. Again, take the measurement of 3.6 cm in the compass and keep the compass on point N and make the arc intersecting to the first arc. Now, join the intersection of arcs from point M and point N. And plot the point L. Now we will move on to question number 3. Triangle RST similar to triangle XYZ. In triangle RST, RS equal to 4.5 cm, angle RST equal to 40 degree, ST equal to 5.7 cm. Construct triangle RST and triangle XYZ such that RS upon XY equal to 3 upon 5. Now, triangle RST and triangle XYZ are similar, so their corresponding sides are proportional and corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, RS upon XY equal to ST upon YZ equal to RT upon XZ equal to 3 upon 5. After putting values, we will get 4.5 upon XY, 5.7 upon YZ. As in third ratio no values are given, so we will not take third ratio, we will take equal to 3 upon 5. Now equate first ratio 4.5 upon XY equal to 3 upon 5. So after solving we will get XY equal to 5 into 4.5 upon 3, which will be equal to 7.5 centimeter. Now we will equate second ratio 5.7 upon YZ equal to 3 upon 5. After simplification we will get YZ equal to 5 into 5.7 upon 3, which will be equal to 9.5 centimeter. As corresponding angles of similar triangle are equal, therefore angle XYZ equal to angle RST equal to 40 degree. Now we will construct triangle RST. First, draw segment ST equal to 5.7 centimeter. Now with the help of the protractor, mark the angle S equal to 40 degree and join the mark with the ray till the point S. With the help of the compass, take the measurement of distance 4.5 centimeter and keep the compass end on point S and make the arc intersecting to the ray from S. Join the arc intersecting with the ray till the point T and plot the point R. Now we will construct triangle XYZ. First, draw YZ 9.5 centimeter. Now, with the help of the protractor, mark the point for angle Y equal to 40 degree and join the mark with the ray till the point Y. Now, mark the arc from point Y at a distance of 7.5 centimeter with the help of the compass. Now join the intersection of arc and ray till the point Z. And plot point X.